Okay, today's video. Not a video I want to make, but I feel like I must. I feel like it's my calling, it's my mission, so we're here. Let's start at the beginning, the foundation. Were you here with me in 2012? I feel like some of you might have been. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I also feel like I need to apologize because we've been through a lot. I went back and looked at this video I'm about to talk about today. Lots of bronzer, pretty much overdosing on bronzer. I had like a milkmaid braid. Don't get me wrong, I was cute. I was doing my best. I was still pretty new on YouTube and I was doing a video all about the Revlon Just Bitten Kissable Balm Stains. It was my newest discovery. I had fallen in love. It was love at first sight. I even said I wanted to marry them and take them to Hawaii. I'm married to these. We're in love. We might go to Hawaii. I don't know what to tell you. The love was very strong in 2012. Fast forward to now, today, 2019, I still love the Revlon Balm Stains, especially in the color Honey, really just in the color Honey. It is like my everyday go-to. I still use it at least like 5 times a week. I have many of them stashed around. It's just appropriate for me for all situations in life. It's absolutely my holy grail, my lips but better product. I feel like you can wear it when you're dressing up and you have a more full-on makeup look. You can also use it when you're not wearing any makeup. It's moisturizing. It's got that little bit of sheer stain. I love the color. I have it on my lips right now. If you've never seen it before, you can't. If you watch my channel, you've seen it hundreds of times because I wear it in my videos all the time. I don't talk about it all the time, which honestly, like I do have a fair bit of guilt on my back at this point because I don't really talk about it so much anymore, but it's remained like an everyday favorite. And now it's being discontinued. Oh, I am so heartbroken over this. Like on the Revlon site, you can still find the balm stains, but there's only one color left, the orange one. Like who wants the orange one? I don't know. Apparently I did in 2012 because I bought it. I don't have it anymore. All I have are the honey color. I have 2 of them here. I have one in my freezer because I'm like, can I preserve it in the freezer? Because they're like on clearance everywhere. I ordered some on Amazon. There are still some in some drugstores. I saw some on major clearance for like $4 in Ulta. Sorry, the lighting is getting really moody because discontinued. Like Revlon, what are you thinking? If you're not just, you know what? I just had a thought. What if Revlon is just like repackaging it? What if? What if that was true? I would be so happy if that was true because like there's not anything better than this. I'm so picky when it comes to lip products. It's just one of those products that like it has to be right. You know, you're constantly moving your mouth, you're constantly eating, talking, doing all kinds of different things. You don't want it to have a harsh smell. You want it to be easy to use. Like I don't even have to look into a mirror when I'm using a balm stain. It's just easy. Like this one is the one that's been in my bag forever. Like there is no label, no writing on the packaging to be seen. It's worn all the way flat down. Like this is like apocalypse lipstick. Here is one that I repurchased even before I found out it was being discontinued. So it's still got its nice little like pointed crayon tip, but like it's just, Revlon, why? I tweeted them. I don't think they tweeted me back. I didn't see a tweet back. I understand things like this have to happen. Apparently everyone in the world is not sharing my love, but when I talked about this on Twitter, Instagram, and on my vlog channel, yes, I've been talking about this a lot because my heart is broken and I need to vent. A lot of you guys have said, you introduced me to this product. I still use it today. I love it so much. I'm so sad that it's getting discontinued and girl, I'm with you. There is nothing like it. And honestly, I kind of got comfortable in my love, in my marriage to the balm stains because it was just so good and I can always count on it. It's under $10. You can get it at any drugstore or Ulta or whatever. I just hit my hand on a box. So I haven't really tried a lot of products that are comparable or the same kind of format just because I was happy, okay? I was committed. So I accept the fact that there could be other products out there that are just as good, maybe better. I just feel wrong saying that, honestly. But I feel like I owe it to you for dragging you into this love affair, and maybe you're lost without them, and I feel like I got you into this, but let's be real, it's more so for me because I'm gonna be brokenhearted when I can't find this anymore and all of mine are expired and gross and I shouldn't use them anymore. So I'm gonna be trying out a bunch of products, everything I could find really. I have some from Sephora, I have some from Walmart, I have some from the drugstore, Ulta, really anywhere and everywhere. I ran all over the place. I even ordered online. There's one I'm missing, I'll tell you about it in a minute, but hopefully we find something. I'm gonna be swatching. I can try them on my lips. I'll tell you the price points. And we're gonna find some options, okay? I am here for you. I'm also here for me, okay? You know what? It is what it is. If you think I'm being dramatic about this, like 7 years is a long time. That's a very long time. Like I haven't ever even had a relationship last that long. I don't know. We probably shouldn't talk about my commitment issues because clearly I have none. Okay, let's start off with some drugstore products. I really wanted to find a good drugstore dupe because it's a drugstore product and the price is one of the major selling points for me, beyond just how amazing it really, really is. So let's start there. Okay, so here I have 4 more affordable options, like more drugstore prices, more around the original Revlon Balm Stain price point. And then after that, I have 4 more like Sephora level price points. So they're not expensive, but they're definitely more expensive than the Revlon Balm Stain. So don't love that. So we're gonna do some swatches on my arms. The first one is this Hard Candy, all glossed up, hydrating lip stain in the color Cupcake. I ordered this one online because Walmart is a disaster. And it looks like it's highlighter pink. I need to do one swipe of the Revlon Honey so we have something to compare it to. Wow. That doesn't look close at all, but obviously swatching something on your arm is a lot different than putting on your lips. My lips are a completely different color than my arm. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my lips. Probably have some of that stain from the Balm Stain on my lips now, but I do have pretty pigmented lips to begin with. Let's see. This is not an ugly color. I need to zoom you in. The scent is kind of floral. I don't love that, but it's not too strong, so it's not a complete deal breaker. I like the color, but it's definitely more of a poppy pink. It doesn't look as crazy highlighter pink as it does on my arm. I feel like it's just the mix with my lip color, it doesn't look so bad. Wow, I think even on camera, it's not showing up as pink as it is in person. It's nice and slick. It does feel a little bit more glossy. I don't know, this one isn't bad and it's only $3.90 at Walmart, which is really good, but it's a little bit harder to find. It was impossible for me to find in a Walmart. My Walmart is just always crazy in the makeup section and everything is always sold out or previously used. It's not a good situation. So it kind of sucks that you probably would need to order this online like I did. But the price is really nice, but it's not as nice when you have to pay for shipping like I did. I think it was like $6, more than that. I don't know. It definitely brought the price up though. This is okay. It's all right. I promise I'm not going to be like overly hard on these products just because they're not what I wish they were, but really, that one's not that bad. Okay, next up on my list, this is the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick in Pink Nude. This one was like $7.57, and it's an obvious dupe, or at least looking at it from the outside. Again, it's drugstore. We like that. Let's look at what the swatch looks like. Ooh, definitely looks much closer to Honey. It's got a nice pigment. It's got a nice sheen. It looks, you know, like a similar formula. The color definitely looks more promising to me than the Hard Candy all glossed up. Ooh, hello. It smells like bubble yum, bubblicious, which I don't hate. I like this. Look at me liking all of them already. I was like, nothing can compare to you. And then now like, this looks nice. This looks really nice. It doesn't so much look like a My Lips But Better. It definitely looks like a little bit of a brighter version of my lips. I feel like they're all gonna look the same to you. I'm like looking at my little viewfinder. I feel like my lips look the same in all of these. Hopefully that's not the case. But this one is nice. It's a good price point. Okay, upon further inspection, I feel like this product, the Neutrogena, feels a little bit heavier, more close to a lipstick feel rather than the balm, like the balm stain. And that's one of the things I really, really liked. So it's not heavy. It's still a good product. I do feel like this is a dupe, but if you're picky about lipstick and lip products like I am, you might pick up on that too. Okay, next up, I got 2 shades in a new product from Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Ink Crayon, and I thought maybe with crayon being in the name, it would be kind of like a balm stain, but no, I think this is just a crayon shaped lipstick, and both of them are really nice. I will swatch them for you, but just warning you ahead of time, I don't think they are really similar to the balm stain, but the color is really nice and the color is kind of similar. So, okay, I think my camera cut me off for just a second. This one is Stay Exceptional. It's really, really nice and pigmented. I will say the smell of this product is delicious. It smells like a cupcake, but obviously I'm sure you can even tell from the swatches, it doesn't have the same formula, the same kind of consistency where it's a little more glossy, a little more sheer. It's just, this is basically a lipstick. It's nice. Do I need to put this on my lips for you right now? Probably not. But I did wear it a couple of days ago and I really liked it. I thought it was really nice. This color is Lead the Way. This one's a little lighter. It's a little bit more like balm stain, but in a lipstick form, which is really nice. I should put this one on for you. This one's like a My Lips But Better. Wow, I put that on really sloppy. But as you can see, it's just like a different look. I'm definitely really glad I got this, but it's just a different thing, you know? Wow, I forgot how much lip swatch videos suck. My lips look really dark now. Okay, moving on to the Clinique Chubby Sticks. These are about $18.50. They've been around a really, really long time. I'm pretty sure the Revlon balm stains were kind of like the drugstore version, the knockoff, more affordable version. I never really went for these. I've always gravitated towards the more affordable, the drugstore side of makeup. If I can find it for less and love it, why not do that? I'm sure I tried them, but I don't remember. So I got 3 different colors. The first one is Mighty Mimosa, very pink. We'll see. Oh, I didn't do my swatch first. I should do my swatch first. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that's got almost no color payoff, which maybe that's what you want in your life. It's definitely like a very subtle pink. It almost looks like it has shimmer, but maybe it's just that glossy. Again, we just have to see what it looks like on the lips. This one looks really nice, but I'm a little bit concerned that it's because my lips are already like hyper pigmented because I've been wiping all these lip products off. This is such a sheer product. I feel like it's almost just my lip color showing through, and it just looks nicer because I'm putting a nice balm over it. It is a really thicker, creamier balm consistency compared to the balm stain. Which isn't a bad thing, of course. We like moisturized lips. It's always good. This one's okay. I definitely think it is a more pinky look though. And I don't know, is that what you want? I'm not sure, but $18.50. Okay. And on top of that, the Chubby Sticks don't even say they're gonna leave any kind of stain behind either. So just saying. Okay, next up I have Bountiful Blush, and this looks like more of a nudie brownie pink. Definitely a lot darker on the lips, definitely a lot more pigmented. I really like this color of the swatch. Like that is what I'm all about. I feel like it's really dark on my lips though. Like this is not necessarily like a My Lips But Better. This looks like I'm wearing lipstick, you know, like if I had a bare face, if I was just going to work out, I'll have honey in my bag and I'll just, and it just looks like, it doesn't really look like anything, which I like. I don't want to look like I'm wearing lipstick to the gym, you know, even though technically I am. Oh, let me show you close up. I just realized I forgot to say something during the drugstore portion. Jordana is a brand that I see basically nowhere. I looked at 2 different Walgreens to see if they still had their kind of balm stain product. I actually don't remember the full name of it. I used those way back in the day, back when I first discovered them, because I had already been loving the Revlon balm stain for so long, and they do have a shade that is like a spinoff of Honey. It's supposed to be a comparable one, but I never loved it as much. I wanted to go back and revisit it, but I could not find it anywhere. And I feel bad that I don't have that for this video, but I'm just saying, I'm just putting it out there. A lot of people love it just as much. I don't, but maybe you will. And I can't find it anymore. Like, is it still out there? Like, because neither of the Walgreens that I went to had them. Anyway, moving on, this is the last Clinique Chubby Stick, and it's in Whole Lotta Honey. Let's swatch it first. Very nice. Cool, okay. Ooh, I like this one better. Okay, I definitely like Whole Lotta Honey the best out of all the Chubby Sticks. But looking at the swatches, it's definitely different. So it's not a dead-on dupe, but it is really, really nice. I think that, oh wait, I'm not even done. Why am I trying to end all of this? I do like this one though. I mean, it looks good, right? I'm so nervous to edit this because I feel like on camera, they're all gonna look similar. Hopefully you can see a difference, because I definitely do in real life. Oh, my lips are like falling off from doing this. Okay, moving on. I've got one more to show you, and it's the most expensive one. This is the Carry On Lip and Cheek Gel from Wander Beauty, and is $22. I got it from Sephora, and the color name is Island Hop. There we go. And it looks really, really, really pink. Oh, super, super pink. And it also looks super pigmented. Ooh, ew, 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 ew. Not good. This might be somebody, but it is not me. I know the second I like swipe a lipstick onto my lips, if it's a color like this, I'm gonna hate it. Like, this is just not a flattering, pretty color for me. It's just like a milky, lilac-y pink that is not good. I do not like it. I do not like it at all. Well, get a good look. And even now, I'm like looking at the little screen. It does not look like it's showing up as like milky bubblegummy as it does in person. You just gotta trust me here. I don't like it. Final thoughts. Revlon Balm Stain is irreplaceable in my life. No. I will tell you, I think that my favorites out of the bunch were definitely the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth for the Drugstore group, and the Clinique Chubby Stick and Whole Lotta Honey for the higher end group. Those are 2 good dupes in my opinion. No, I do not feel like the Revlon Balm Stain is replaceable totally in my heart, in my mind, in my soul, on my lips. I gotta put it back on my lips right now because my lips are dying. Okay, I just have to slide this in here real quick. I'm shooting on my phone, so I'm sorry for the quality, but I just had to show you the kind of stainability of each of the swatches. On the far left, obviously, is the Revlon Honey, and then those 2 lipstick shades are in the middle. And other than that, you can't see much of a stain of the other ones. Maybe the hard candy one. But just in case you're wondering about that, I thought I would show you. You know, Revlon, if you're watching, they're definitely not watching, just stop. Just stop listening to whoever you're listening to. Listen to me. We love the balm stain. You could charge us $1 more. Just keep it around. I'm trying to bargain. I'm trying to like wheel and deal right now. Just please. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna stop. I know I'm picky, but maybe you're not as picky. Hopefully you found some good options from this video. Definitely subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can also find me on my vlog channel. You can also find me on all my socials. I'm everywhere. I love talking to you guys. Thanks for being here. Hit the bell for notifications. Give it a thumbs up if you're a nice person. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, this one might not be good anymore. Still using it. It's like a sickening experience, but also pleasurable. Oh, that was weird. Don't say pleasurable. Note to self. My lip has decided to molt. Do you have shimmer?